Differentiation may be the most powerful way to grow your news ratings and online views. With Talkbacktime.com, you will be able to own the big story of the day. You can be the station where viewers have a clear voice, and also the station where they can see and hear what their neighbors have to say. Talkbacktime was built to offer seamless and painless newsroom integration as a white label software. And because we are a white label, your content will be 100% station branded, from your logo to your own graphics, and utilizing whatever brands you create to drive viewers to respond. Importantly, Talkbacktime was created to drive down newsroom operating costs. Immediately, you will be able to eliminate costly and wasteful person-on-the-street interviews as your viewers and guests bring the content to you. Further cost savings come by utilizing Talkbacktime for internal news research on any subject as often as you'd like. It's true, your ratings and page views will grow through unique, differentiated content that our software instantly curates by demographics and opinions, creating broad diversity in your news. And you'll have unlimited use of the software, allowing other franchises like weather, sports, special events, plus research and station promotions. And finally, your coverage using Talkbacktime will generate new station revenue, both on air and online, creating a perfect fit for advertiser sponsorships. Talkbacktime.com, where you will establish brand differentiation as the station where your viewers have a clear voice. Contact us now, and we will arrange a demonstration.